Rotten wood on roofs. Wood damage can be found during a roof replacement, but a reputable roofer should communicate any issues with the homeowner and provide a plan for repair. Some common issues include discoloration, watermarks, darker spots, growths, and a musty smell. The wood may also feel spongy or weak, or crumble or crack easily. If you don't address rotted wood, it can lead to more serious issues down the road. Damaged decking can compromise the roof's stability and may require catastrophic repairs if left unaddressed. Once the roof covering is removed, it is necessary to replace any rotten wood to keep up with building codes. We at APC Roofing do not cut corners. If our team of experts find any rotten wood, we will advise you of the damage and will provide you with the cost to replace it, leaving you with not only a beautiful roof on the outside, but safe and solid on the inside. Call APC Roofing today or visit our website 24/7 to schedule your next roof replacement.